Alright guys, I want you guys to let me know if any of you guys have ran into issues with your Tacoma the same way I did. So currently right now I'm using this truck for going to work. I typically have that right there. It's a van. It's the work van we have. Maybe in the future I'll make a video on pretty much in the loadout, what I have, what I use. So, and if you hear me breathe hard, it's because I just worked out. But here we go. I'm going to start it up. And I haven't had an issue with this truck at all. The only thing that I'm having an issue with, and I've had this being taken to the Claremont Toyota, which is right here in California, 2 times already. Each time they say they have it fixed, and each time I get it and it's the same thing, so I want to know if anybody has had this, so I could at least buy it myself or repair it myself or go to a shop directly, because it's brand new. It's supposed to be under warranty, but every time I send it in, it's not repaired. So if you look right there, let me zoom in. That right there is the windshield sprayer. There is another one right there underneath, and each time I'm gonna go ahead and each time I press the cleaning the windshield, I get this going. Only see, this stuff is on the left side is spraying really good all over the place, and if you look on this side, I'm getting little sprinkles, and you can see that it's actually working. It's spraying, but it's like if it gets stuck underneath this plastic that holds it in. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I popped the hood, so you're gonna see that it does spray. See, right there's the sprayer, right there's the other, and we're getting clean hits. So it's spraying the way it's supposed to. So what I want to know is if it's that piece of plastic right there, if it's the hood, maybe it's moved, or maybe it's uneven. Let me turn it off. So this is what I mean. I don't know if it's because it jiggles a bit. It jiggles the same. Let me close it. And that's the hole right there, sprayer. So it hits. So I know it works. I just don't know why it keeps doing that. Before I forget, just want to let you guys know that this is a 2023 Tacoma. So if you guys have any experience with this issue, let me know.